사랑해요. Milkis.
Hello, this is Milkis, or Milkis, a milk and yogurt flavored carbonated beverage. It is from Korea and it is produced by one of the largest beverage companies in Asia, Lottie, short for Charlotte. It was super popular back in either the 80s or the 90s. They had this celebrity do these really crazy ads where he would like kiss it and be like, "I love you, Milkis," but in Korean. They're very cute. It's so much harder than I thought just to talk to camera candidly, but it's spilled everywhere. This is just the regular milk and yogurt flavor, but they come in a bunch of different flavors. There's peach, melon, apple, I think an orange one, banana, and strawberry. Strawberry is probably the most popular one. And maybe a blueberry one, actually. I actually got these in a case of 24 from Costco, believe it or not. So they're not as foreign as you may think. I live in Canada, so the fact that they have Korean drinks here, it's not that hard to find. But okay, the reason that I'm making these videos, it's not to make reviews on sodas, although that is the theme of these videos. But it's just for me to try and get better at talking to camera in a more candid way without like a very specific script. Because everything I've made so far on the internet, video-wise, over the past 3 years has been very meticulously scripted, and I'm like reading from my phone, then looking at the camera to say like one phrase, and I never just improvise things or talk about things in just a more natural way. So this is my attempt. I'm going to try and do these videos every day for the next month. I don't know if I'll be successful at doing one every single day, but I have at least 30 different snacks and drinks that I love that I can at least start the video off with. But yeah, this is my convenience store, and these are products that I would love to one day sell in this fictional convenience store. You may be wondering what this backdrop is all about. Ideally, I want to create a convenience store. It's been a dream of mine for a really long time, just like having a physical store where I could sell like all the products I love, but also have my own no-name brand kind of line of my own products. And that be ranging from like everything from soda to candy, like little toys and maybe even clothes, but just everything all in this one really cool store that's curated by me. I may not be the one who works there all the time, but I just love for it to exist, and I'm gonna work towards that, but I thought the first step is to utilize my skills in video making, filmmaking, and editing, and like how I'm trying to learn 3D and more VFX work, and that's kind of where I'm at right now, which is so far away from doing a physical store, creating physical products. So I thought I could potentially leverage the platform I've already built in the video world and slowly make my way into building this for real. So here is the fictional convenience store, and these are the kinds of products that I would love to sell at my convenience store. So yeah. Hopefully tomorrow's video will go smoother than this, but this was a good first attempt. So thank you.